This brand is made in the USA by Innovative Hearth Products and is sold through a limited dealer network in the USA, but their guarantee is not as good as other brands. The Capella series combines a traditional look and feel with modern LED technology. They are recessed into a wall and are available in either 33 or 36-inch sizes featuring ember bed and ceiling lights. The Sentry models offer modern recessed wall-mounted linear fireplaces in 45 or 55-inch sizes featuring ember bed lighting but no ceiling lighting. The Plexus models are recessed linear fireplaces with ceiling lighting as well as ember bed lights, and they are available in 4 sizes from 60 to 100 inches in length. These units do not have a temperature sensing remote control and they do not include sound for a realistic fire. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.